Like,
Which way
put
is it
the...
going? Which way is it going? I can't even tell. This way, right?
This way.
This way?
Too much. I don't want my mom to figure out. Like, as soon as this, she's not gonna find.
She won't do. Fine, then put it up here.
No! I'm gonna have one patch.
Can I put it up here?
1, 2, and...
Ah!
Dude!
You see that?
Oh my god.
Hurry up and do her.
Okay. Right here, right?
Come on, you're wasting your time.
Oh god, that's a lot of pesos.
No, I think you did it wrong.
I'm gonna come off like that.
Okay.
Like, I can still do it with this.
Okay.
Where's that thing you bit on? She wants to do this because she mean like that. She wants to get back at me for pushing her against the door that one time. Pushing you. No.
1, 2, 3.
Ah! I did it the wrong way.
I told you.
No, you. I'll do it again, but other way.
Ah! You need to pull this way.
Okay.
I just knew. That hurts. Get it right on my wrist bone too. You didn't even count, you whore!
I know you didn't.
No, you did it in your head, you did.
I think I did. In my head, I believe.
Okay, I think it's warm enough.
Why?
Wait, you gotta do it at an angle, like from here. I don't know, whatever. Don't listen to me.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Look at all you feel.
No.
You don't see that?
No, I can, but the camera can't.
That's so funny.
Dang!